Hey folks, have you ever wished you could get rid of garden pests without dumping chemicals everywhere? Well, let me show you the ultimate garden hack harnessing the awesome power of ladybugs. Yep, those tiny red beetles are more than just cute. They're natural-born aphid assassins. Alright, first things first, don't just grab any ladybug you see. You want native species like Hippodamia convergens or Coccinella septempunctata. Ask your supplier for those names and skip the wild harvesting, since that usually grabs invasive types by accident. Now before you unleash your ladybug army, there's some prep work. Water your plants early in the day, then give the leaves a gentle mist in the evening. This little trick keeps ladybugs hydrated and encourages them to stick around instead of flying off at the first chance. Here's the real secret: release them at dusk. Cooler temps make them less likely to take off. Just sprinkle them at the base of plants loaded with aphids. Think rosebuds, kale stems, or wherever you spot little green pests. Want your ladybugs to settle in and start a family? Plant some dill, fennel, or yarrow nearby. Ladybugs love that pollen and nectar. And put out a shallow dish of wet gravel for water. Just like us, they need a good drink. Now I can't stress this enough. Keep your garden a pesticide-free zone. Lay off the sprays for at least 2 weeks before and after your ladybug release. Trust me, if you want nature to do the work, you gotta let nature do its thing. But here's something folks mess up all the time. There's an invasive look-alike called the Asian lady beetle. They're not your friends. They can swarm your house, bite, and even release a nasty stink. So, how do you tell the difference? Native ladybugs are bright red with even black spots, and they've got a black head with white cheeks. Asian lady beetles? They're orange or tan, sometimes with no spots, and they have a big bold black M or W right behind their head. If you see swarms piling up on your house in the fall, odds are you've got the invaders. To keep Asian lady beetles out, seal up cracks on your home, especially on sun-facing walls. Spray entry points with citronella or citrus oils, and if they get inside, vacuum them up. Don't crush them, or you'll be cleaning stains for weeks. So why does this ladybug hack work? They target pests like aphids, scale, and mites. Just what you want, nothing you don't. Plus, with the right habitat, ladybugs will lay eggs, and their larvae eat even more pests than the adults. All this, without a drop of chemical, just pure eco-friendly power. Here's a pro tip. Leave some leaf litter in your beds over winter. Wild ladybugs love it, and you'll get a natural boost next spring. So there you go, get your native ladybugs, set up their habitat, and let nature's tiny warriors keep your garden thriving, all while keeping the invaders out where they belong. Happy gardening!